Are you looking for one of the best value condos that you can get in Milpitas, California? Are you wanting a private pool along with a private playground? Come check out our latest listing, which is a 3-bed, 3-bath listed at $1 million. Come join me and let me show you the best parts of this home and why people are choosing this area. So this home was built in 2010. And what I like most about this is the open concept living room with high ceilings. So you got a beautiful kitchen with ample natural light that comes in, along with 2 private decks on each of the wings. On this level, you're gonna see a spacious full bedroom and full bath with an in-unit stackable washer and dryer. On the top level, you have 2 remaining bedrooms with their own individual bathrooms. Now, for this house itself, it does have central heating, central AC, dual pane windows, and you have recessed lighting all throughout the common spaces of the home. For this price and this layout, most times other people are looking at condo flats, but here you can still get a multi-level condo at one of the most affordable price points in all of the South Bay. What's also great about this community is that you have this beautiful lap pool with a spa on the side. In addition to the community that's only a few minutes walking, you do also have your separate playground structure and a clubhouse in this private area. So if you're looking to entertain guests or have friends over, this is a great place to hang out and be. Now, in addition to this specific community, it has easy access to the public transit of VTA, bus stops, freeways, and the Milpitas BART station, which opened up a couple of years ago. It also is close proximity to tons of major high-tech employers, including Cisco, Samsung, NVIDIA, Tesla, Google, LinkedIn, and many, many more. One of the reasons why people choose to live here is because they have excellent schools, and it's also a great place for investors. Now, if this is a possibility for you or any of your friends, you gotta reach out so that we can get you into this as soon as possible. All of these homes are moving very quickly. You can reach me at 408-547-4590, and I look forward to help you. See you next time.